line ladder for the win.
Hey, can you give me a bump?
Yeah.
Thanks. Turn your steering. Huh? Turn your steering other way. Keep turning your steering. That way? No, other way.
What do you want me to do?
No, the other way. Okay, go back. Go back.
I made it through those gates.
Scott, can you write me?
That's what I'm trying to do.
Hey. Oh, here, just get on this side. Oh, there we go.
Oh, that's what you got carried down.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, drive. Oh.
Go!
That's going to talk about that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you can find some kind of
Put them the right width for the wheels.
yeah.
Line them up with your tires.
Huh?
I've always been a fan of that mighty FJ body.
Mighty FJ?
Yeah. That one. Lurch almost cab over pickup truck.
Oh, look at that.
The TRX on
slow,
board
pal.
just walks it. It's like, hey, where's my DX up there? Truck. Okay.
Back up. Oh,
There we go.
Nice.
Minute to win it. All else fails.
Don't you go down. Stay up at the top because you might have to hit.
Those are a save right there.